Oh hey, today we're going to use magnets to keep the doors closed. And we're also going to put some paint on the car. I'm using super glue to hold the magnets in place. Then I will later use some JB Quick to go over that. I had a piece of styrene between the magnets because I didn't want them to touch when opening the door. I did this to all 4 doors. I also decided to replace the trim molding on the doors that I had removed while I was getting the door straight. The magnets that I had installed seemed to be doing their job, so it's about time for primer. The primer went on nice. The only problem I have is that passenger door. It opens up a little too wide. But I'll put a piece of plastic back there and limit it from opening up so much. It'll be straight. Now I'm just test fitting the interior and chassis on the primer body. And with that, it's time for the yellow paint. The spray paint that I used is from Seymour. It's intended for real, actual vehicles, school buses or whatever. But I test sprayed it on a piece of plastic and it wrinkled. So that's why I put the primer on there, and once I put the primer on, it laid down pretty good. No wrinkles. Note to self, next time wear gloves. Now that it's dry, I could play with, I could test it out. The piece of plastic worked on the door. That's as far as it'll open up. All that thick paint made my door fitment non-existent. But, it fit good enough, so I'm gonna leave it at that. Here goes some other parts I've been working on. Here go the wheels. And I made a spare. And here's the rear bumper with the flip-up license plate. I sprayed yellow on the top part of it for the, whatever it's called. Highlighted it with a silver Sharpie to bring out the letters Ford. I sanded down the back of the grille so the light can show through. I'll add headlights later. that's it for now. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.